Hello everyone, welcome to Fluent Start English channel. This episode series is for our own level beginners, and today we are speaking in slow English. Please listen carefully, repeat after me if you like, and try to understand the simple words. The topic of this lesson is my friend. When we talk about friends, we think about the people who make us happy, who spend time with us, and who help us when we need support. A friend is someone we trust, someone we enjoy talking with, and someone who makes our life better. In this story, I will tell you about my best friend. My best friend's name is David. He is the same age as me, and we study in the same school. We first met on the very first day of class. I was sitting alone, feeling a little shy, and David came to sit next to me. He smiled at me and said, "Hello, what is your name?" From that moment, we started to talk, and very quickly we became friends. Since that day, we sit together in class, we eat lunch together, and we walk home together. David is a very kind and friendly person. He always says, "Please," and "Thank you." He is polite to teachers, polite to friends, and polite even to strangers. Everyone in the class likes David because he is helpful and respectful. He is also funny. He likes to tell jokes and make people laugh. When I feel sad or tired, he tells me a joke or a funny story, and suddenly, I feel better. David has short black hair, brown eyes, and he wears glasses. He is tall and a little bit thin. He likes to wear simple clothes, like a white t-shirt and jeans. He does not care about expensive clothes. He cares more about being clean, neat, and comfortable. He is also healthy and strong because he plays football almost every day. David is one of the best football players in our school team. He plays as a striker, and he runs very fast. When he scores a goal, all the students cheer for him. I am proud to have a friend who is so talented. But David is not only good at sports, he is also very good at studying. He loves reading books, especially storybooks and science books. He often borrows books from the school library, and he reads them very quickly. When I do not understand something in math or English, David explains it to me slowly and clearly. He is patient, and he never laughs when I make mistakes. He says, "Don't worry, mistakes are part of learning." This makes me feel comfortable and motivated to study more. We also enjoy spending time together outside of school. Sometimes we go to the park, sometimes we watch movies, and sometimes we just sit and talk. We talk about our hobbies, our dreams, and our plans for the future. David says he wants to become a doctor one day because he wants to help sick people. I admire his dream, and I believe he will achieve it because he is hardworking and determined. That is why David is not only my friend, he is like a brother to me. A real friend is someone who supports you, who makes you happy, and who stays with you in good times and bad times. David is exactly that kind of person. I feel lucky and thankful to have him as my best friend. Sometimes my friend David and I have small fights or arguments. This is normal because no one is perfect, and even best friends do not always agree. Sometimes I want to play football, but David wants to read a book. Sometimes I want to watch a movie, but David wants to study. At those times we feel a little angry or disappointed, but our fights never last for a long time. We always talk, we say sorry, we forgive each other. and we continue to be friends. This makes our friendship stronger because we learn to understand each other and respect each other's feelings. Friendship is not only about fun, it is also about learning and growing together. David teaches me many good things. He teaches me to be patient when I am upset. He teaches me to be kind when I see someone in need. He teaches me to work hard when I feel lazy. For example, sometimes I feel tired and I do not want to study. I say, I will study later. But David says, come on, let's study together. We can finish it quickly, and then we can play. This makes me start studying, and soon I feel happy that I did it. When exams come, I often feel nervous and afraid. I say, I cannot do this exam, I will fail. But David says, don't worry, we study together. You are ready. You can do it. His words make me feel strong and confident. With his support, I try my best, and many times I do better than I expected. David and I also enjoy many fun activities together. We like to go to the park on weekends. We play football, we run, and we laugh a lot. Sometimes we buy snacks, like popcorn or ice cream, and we sit on a bench talking about our favorite games and movies. It is simple, but very enjoyable. Last weekend was very special. We went to the park, played football for 1 hour, and then sat under a big tree. We talked about our dreams for the future. I told him I want to travel around the world and meet people from different countries. He told me again that he wants to be a doctor and help people. We laughed, we shared our dreams, and we promised to support each other. We also like to visit each other's homes. When I go to David's house, his family welcomes me with a smile. His mother gives us tea or juice, and sometimes she cooks delicious food. We sit in his room, play video games, or read books together. When David comes to my house, my family also welcomes him warmly. We eat together, and my parents are happy because they know David is a good friend for me. In the future, we want to do many more things together. We want to travel, visit new cities, learn about new cultures, and make new friends. We believe that friendship is not only for today, but for the future too. We want our friendship to last forever, even when we grow up, even when we have jobs, and even when we have families of our own. That is why I believe friendship is one of the most beautiful things in life. A good friend does not only give you fun, a good friend gives you courage, kindness, and hope. With a friend like David, I feel ready to face any challenge in life. So, my dear friends, this is my story about my friend. I wanted to share with you how important a good friend is in our life. Friendship is not about money or gifts or big things. Friendship is about trust, love, kindness, and time. A friend makes you smile when you are sad. A friend supports you when you are weak. A friend makes your life colorful and beautiful. I hope when you listen to my story, you also think about your best friend. Maybe you can write about your friend, or you can tell your family and classmates about your special friend in English. This way, you practice English and also share your heart. Thank you very much for listening to this episode in Slow English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Fluent Start English channel. Also, please share this video with your friends, like it, and write a comment below. Your support helps this channel grow and helps more people learn English in a simple way. See you again in the next episode. Goodbye and take care.